有流利 Nephews， 这是一个英文学习频道，帮助曾经想要口说流利却找不到方法的你，用轻松有效的方式陪你实现梦想。各位是不是跟我一样，曾经有过口说流利的目标，却不知道如何开始，或者是你已经开始了，却找不到方法坚持下去 ？That's the reason why I'm here to wake you up, to fill up your tank, and most importantly, to help with your English ability. 今天要分享20个美式英文的惯用句，希望你学完之后尽可能的活用在生活中，大量的帮你建立英文的逻辑跟思维。有朝一日你也能讲英文更像外国人。So in this episode, I'll be teaching you learning Nephews 20 American slang words to make you sound more like a native speaker. Let's get started. 好，第一个 call in sick， 请病假。有时候我们是不是不太知道怎么说请病假的英文？其实就是 call in sick。Maybe you should just call in sick today. Maybe you should just call in sick today. 第二个 got a minute。之后呢，我们想要问别人有没有时间，就可以这么说 ：Hey, I'm just wondering if you got a minute. Hey, I'm just wondering if you got a minute. 第三个 in your dreams， 做梦吧。当你想要跟一个人说你做梦吧，你就可以说 in your dreams. In your dreams. 第四个 make a splash， 一炮而红。I'm not trying to make a splash, I'm just doing the right things. I'm not trying to make a splash, I'm just doing the right things. 第五个 dry run， 演练。有时候我们在工作或执行任务的时候，就可以这么说 ：Let's do a dry run here. Let's do a dry run here. 第六个 down to earth， 当你想说一个人非常平易近人或者是接地气的时候，就可以说 You're such a down to earth person. You're such a down to earth person. 第七个 on the house。On the house， 如果你想请客，或者是店家想要招待顾客免费使用的时候，就可以说 This part is on the house. This part is on the house. 第八个 under the weather， 不太舒服。当你想要跟别人说你不太舒服的时候，其实就可以用这句 I'm under the weather today.I'm under the weather today. 好，那么第九个 step out of line. Step out of line. 当你想要说一个人不守规矩的时候，就可以说 You're stepping out of line. You're stepping out of line. 第十个 You got what you pay for.You got what you pay for. 如果你朋友买到黑心商品的时候，你就可以这样子跟他说 When your friend bought a lemon, you can say You got what you pay for. You got what you pay for. Bought a lemon 就是买到黑心商品。第11个 The clock is ticking.The clock is ticking. 有没有？当你想要让你朋友快点做决定的时候，你就可以说 Come on, make up your mind. The clock is ticking. Make up your mind. The clock is ticking. 第12个 hilarious， 太搞笑了。You're such a hilarious person.You're such a hilarious person. 第13个 That's more like it. That's more like it. 有些事发生的时候，你觉得正合你意，那你就可以说 That's more like it. That's more like it. 第14个 Burn the midnight oil. 当你需要熬夜完成某些任务工作的时候，就可以说 I have to burn the midnight oil. I have to burn the midnight oil. 第15个 It's out of my hands. 当你朋友请你帮忙一件事情的时候，但你无能为力，那你就可以说 That's out of my hands. That's out of my hands. 第16个 shoulda, woulda, coulda. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. 早知如此，又何必当初？当你后悔某件事情没有做到，应该早点做的时候，就可以这么说 shoulda, woulda, coulda. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. 第17个 pick one's brain. 字面上其实就很像拿别人的脑袋，事实上就是请教别人，征求别人的想法，向某人学习。这可以说是一个非常正面跟积极的表达。所以下次想要跟朋友请教问题的时候，就可以说 Can I pick your brain? Can I pick your brain? 第18个 root for you. 为你加油。当你朋友去比赛，你想要鼓励他的时候，就可以说 We're all rooting for you. We're all rooting for you. 第19个 work someone's fingers to the bone. 当你想要跟别人说你工作很认真，除了说 work hard 以外，还可以怎么说呢？ I worked my fingers to the bone. I worked my fingers to the bone. 第20个 go too far. 太过分了。如果有人做出一些事情让你很生气的时候，你就可以说 You've gone too far. You've gone too far. Alrighty, that's all for today's lesson. 20 American phrases to make you sound more like a native speaker. Which one do you like the most? I'll leave it up to you. So please hit the subscribe button and let me know what your thoughts on your mind. And live by this. You don't have to be perfect to get started. You just have to get started to be perfect. I'll see you next time.